Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna tell you a few things you must know before constructing your house, and that too about cement. So my name is Ajinkya Lawat. I'm from Mathura Precise Engineering, and I love to work with young people, young couples who want to build their dream homes. I help them convert their empty plots into lavish and luxurious spaces they call home, so that they can have a glamorous and luxurious life ahead. So let's start. Things you must know about cement. The first and the mostly asked questions, frequently asked questions to us is, which cement shall we use, whether we go for Ambuja or Ultratech. So my dear friend, Ambuja and Ultratech are brands, companies. That is not a grade of cement. So what is a grade of cement? There are two basic types of cements. One is OPC, that is ordinary Portland cement, and PPC, pozzolanic Portland cement. And then they are divided into subgrades like OPC 33, OPC 43, OPC 53, PPC 33, PPC 43, and PPC 53. So what is this 33, 43, 53? These are the grades of cement. That is the strength which will give after 28 days strength, that is 53 Newton per mm square. So that's the strength. So what is the difference between OPC and PPC? OPC is a widely used cement, mostly in India. It is mostly used because it has high initial setting strength. So that doesn't mean that PPC is low in strength. What is PPC? PPC is nothing but OPC, where some amount 10 to 15 percent of calcinized materials such as fly ash or pozzolanic material is added into it, so as to increase or enhance its properties. So what's the advantages of PPC? Generally, if we see in the market, they would never recommend PPC, as they will say that it has low strength. It is a fake news. It's not a clear concept. The reality is PPC and OPC has both got good qualities, good strength, but the difference is, in case of OPC, the initial setting strength, that after 7 days strength, is high as compared to PPC. But when the time elapses, so go for 14 or 28 days, the both of them are going to produce same strength. Meanwhile, you can see that PPC will have more strength after 50 days of casting. So it's right, PPC gains strength over a period of time. And second advantage of PPC is low heat of hydration. If you have seen big constructions or old constructions, there are hair size cracks in concrete structures. They are caused by heat of hydration. To avoid such cracks, PPC is the best thing, best cement I would recommend. Means you can see that in hydraulic structures, dams, or big where mass concrete is done, PPC is used. And another benefit of advantage of PPC cement is it is cost effective. It is slightly cheaper than OPC, and it is eco-friendly because the 10 to 15% pozzolanic material is usually fly ash, which is a byproduct of industries. So it slightly reduces burden on environment, is sustainable. So what's the initial strength difference? Let me give an example. If your concrete cube is supposed to support 100 kg weight, your OPC will support after 7 days, because it has not got full strength. At 7 days it will be something like 20 kg. In case of PPC, it will be around 15 to 18 kg. So 15 to 18 kg is less than OPC, but that doesn't necessarily means it is too low. So that's the basic difference. And at 28 days, both will have 100 kgs, and at 50 days or so, PPC may exhibit strength up to 125 to 130 kg. So it has a strength, but there are purposes. It's like Fevicol and Feviquick. You must know where to use what. So how do you decide which cement you have to use for your construction? Because for columns, for foundations, for slabs, there are different concrete grades are used. So best part I will recommend it, go for any brand. Don't make it a local brand. If it is an ISI certified brand, it's okay to go with this cement, but get a concrete mix design from your structural engineer, because it is very important. You can't just cast concrete based on your contractor's wish, because each and every component requires different strength. So concrete design must be there, which cement, which grade of cement and in which quantity must be mixed shall be there, to avoid unnecessary damages. Because sometimes people use high strength cements, high performance cements, they forget their admixtures, it causes low strength. And sometimes for unnecessary reason, unrequired reason, they are spending lots of money, where they can usually provide 250 rupees bag, they will go for 320 rupees bag, and there is not going to be any advantage of using it. So why waste money? Get a good structural design engineer. So myself, Ajin Cloud, I'm from Mathura Precise Engineering. I do love work with young people and young couple who want to build their dream houses and businesses. I help them convert their empty plots into luxurious and live space, so they call it home, so they can live a happy, luxurious and glamorous life. Thank you. You can call me at 97637 17505 or email at mathura.precise@gmail.com.